Hello, we are just as you can see here. This is our living room here. That's the TV where, and those are the windows. Actually, that's the part that we usually use here. So just wanted to show you this is dining, but then we don't use it. And this is the kitchen. This is our flask that we usually put our tea. You can see this our kitchen here. Actually, when we have washed the utensils, this is where we put them to drain the water, and then we shall do what? Wipe them later. But we don't have a tap. We usually use the water that is outside. We cook from there. That's our stove there, and that's the corner there. Actually, so here you can see that it's a cup, but then it's not that much. So hope you enjoy here. Leave some comments. We have another window. This is the kitchen window here, and this is the behind kitchen, the behind door. I mean, hello, what's up, guys? Thank you all for being here. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always checking me here. And if this is your first time being here, consider subscribing. That's a better way of supporting me. Surely I was showing you all around here. This is where I am just exploring. I have just to visit someone, and this is the place here that I'm just giving a hand. Otherwise, I'm just maybe helping, like the selection as someone wants help. So as I showed you from the first beginning, I've showed you how the house looks here, but then you can see that door there. It is I cannot show that because you know why. It's someone is. So this is only the living room and the dining room and the kitchen. So I'm gonna take you upstairs. I am just embarrassed how it has been raining, but then the water is full up there, and it's a mess. It's a mess down here. Actually, I had put my bag somewhere that place there, and then my bag is full. My bag is full of water, and I have to remove all the clothes, and then I should see the clothes there which didn't enter the water. Sure, I'm gonna take you upstairs so that I'm gonna show you the water. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video actually, and if this is your first time here, support your girl here. Those are the stairs upstairs which is going up, but then up there it's not finished, but they are like they are continuing may building. That is it. So let's move. I show take you upstairs. Upstairs, these are the upstairs. It's not that good because it's not finished. You can see it's not finished actually. So this is it here. I'm gonna show you actually. This is like the living room up here. It's a living room, and it's not finished. You can see it's not finished actually. So, and from that side is the gate. Is from that side from the road when coming to the compound. So we go. This tour actually. This is a bedroom. It's like a bedroom, and it's another bedroom. This is like a kitchen, maybe like a kitchen. It's like a kitchen. It's like a toilet, I think. This is a window. So this is how they do it here. Actually, when you have a house, you like you do what you in case even if you are staying in someone's house, when you have builded yours, you have to evacuate from that house and come to your house even if you have not finished. This is what is being done here because of the rent. They don't want to pay the rent outside there, so they just take it to be like that. You can see that is someone's house, rental houses there. This is at the village, but then the sun is there. The sun is over there. It has been raining. You can see even the clouds is up here. So let's go. Let's move actually and do what has brought me up here. Here. The water is on a mess. There's a mess here. You can leave the comments if this is how it when it rains. Is that what happens to your place? Because too much rain. See the consequences here. Yeah. Hello, hello. What's this is the village life. This is the village life, and I don't know. Leave some comments down there if this thing has happened to you. Yeah.